Well, hello, boys and girls. Yesterday, your writing assignment was putting down ideas. We call that the pre-writing. And that's when you figured out your topic, which was something that is your favorite. Could have been your favorite music, your favorite book, your favorite food, your favorite person, your favorite place to visit, your favorite holiday. Well, you get the idea. And then you used your Foursquare graphic organizer just to jot down some ideas, jot down some words to help you just to remember your ideas for when you start writing. So that's what this looked like. Does that look familiar? Now for me, my topic is my favorite place to visit with my family. So I'm going to visit the zoo. And so my topic sentence is, the zoo is my favorite place to visit with my family. And then the things that I'm going to think about are tigers, elephants, giraffes, and those are the three details that I'm going to write about. I could write about so many things at the zoo. I mean, if you've ever been to the zoo, there are lots and lots of things. But I'm just going to focus on three things. I'm going to focus on the tigers, the elephants, and the giraffes. And then I'm going to give some juicy details, some adjectives to describe the things that I'm going to see at the zoo. So for example, if you look over here, I said, tigers are like a cat, but that's a little bit boring. I found out that feline also means having to do with a cat, so I'm going to try and use that in my writing. And then elephants, well, of course, they're huge, but huge is kind of a boring word, so I went with majestic. So you can see that I'm using lots of details. I haven't written any sentences yet, and I actually don't have my wrap-up sentence, my conclusion, but that's okay. It will come later. So what are we going to do with all this information? Well, we're going to hamburger paragraph. Does that mean it's burger time? No, unfortunately not. But we are going to use the idea of a hamburger to guide us in writing our paragraph. So when we think of a hamburger paragraph, we think of a paragraph like this hamburger. It has a beginning and an end, and we have a middle. So the top bun is the topic sentence. This is where you're going to introduce your idea in an interesting way. You're going to hook the reader. And then the middle part are all the details that support this topic sentence, which is the main idea of your paragraph. So I have detail number one. This is where I'm going to just give you my first example. Well, in my case, it was tigers. And then I'm going to give you all the juicy details about tigers. And then my second detail was elephants. And I'm going to give you all the juicy details about elephants. And my third detail is giraffes, and I'm going to talk all about the giraffes and what they look like at the zoo when I visit with my family. And then I'm going to wrap the whole thing up with a nice sentence, an interesting sentence. There are not going to be any details. It's kind of similar to your topic sentence where you just wrap it up in an interesting way. But the key is, boys and girls, in this part here, in these parts right here, you're going to try and use really interesting language. So it's wonderful to use adjectives, and you can use your senses to describe what you're experiencing. So let's see. This is a hamburger paragraph. Sorry, boys and girls, we're not eating hamburgers. And you can see that a hamburger paragraph has 5 sections, just like we did over here. This is what it's going to look like when you write it out. So you'll have this to write, and you're going to put your information in from your Foursquare. You're actually going to now write sentences. Okay? So this is where you put your topic sentence. This is where you're going to introduce in an interesting way what you're going to be writing about. This is your main idea. And then you're going to give me 3 details using adjectives to describe what you're experiencing. Okay? So tigers for me, elephants, and giraffes. And then I'm going to come up with some kind of interesting sentence to close my paragraph. So this is what I created. The zoo is my favorite place to visit with my family. Topic sentence, main idea, visiting the zoo with my family, and it's my favorite. You can see tigers with their orange and black stripes and sleepy feline eyes. I love to spy them lazing in the warm sun. Did you notice that I used lots of adjectives here? And I also didn't use the word watch, I used the word spy. There are majestic elephants with gray wrinkled leather skin that crinkles when they lift their trunks to spray cool water in the air. Again, I'm talking about the elephants and what they're doing, and I'm using nice, juicy adjectives. And then my final sentence, the best part is the giraffe enclosure. There you can watch the elephant mama giraffe guide her giraffe calf with their beautiful long necks. Okay, now I've given you some details about the zoo, and I'm going to close with just a very simple sentence. Visiting the zoo is a feast for the family, or for my family's eyes. So you can see, boys and girls, my paragraph is chock full of information and lots of adjectives, and you really get a good idea of what I like to see at the zoo, and it's only in one paragraph. All right, I hope this helps you writing your paragraphs. Go have fun.